I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video we're going to go over setting up your new YouTube channel. Now your Google account and YouTube channel is set up, you want to optimize it and fill out the details to make sure it's branded the right way and attracting the right people. As you can see, the way it is right now, it's not very attractive and it looks rather boring. It's not going to attract many people. To customize your channel, first click the Customize Channel button, and the very first thing you want to do is your channel icon, and this is the small profile image that viewers see all over YouTube. So when you make a comment underneath all of your videos and pretty much all over YouTube, wherever you are, the channel icon is going to be there with you. To change this, come to the little pen icon here and then edit. Then you simply click upload photo and select the photo that you want to upload. Usually a professional logo or headshot is best for a business or a personal brand. Once it's uploaded, you can choose to crop your image, and keep in mind in most places on YouTube the image will appear as a circle. Anything around the corners and the outside may get cut off. When you're ready, click Done. YouTube recommends using an image at 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Like it says here, it may take a few minutes for your changes to appear. Now we're back on the channel and we hit reload, and we can see the channel icon has already updated. The next thing we want to change is the channel art. Channel art is a perfect way to communicate your brand, who you are as a business, and stand out from the crowd. Many YouTube channels who just rush through setting up don't set up their channel art and have it as the boring basic channel art. As you can see, it does not look good. It's very important to create some channel art which brands yourself and speaks to your potential clients. To change your channel art, you come to the exact same place that you came to change your channel icon. My channel, then Customize Channel. Then you're going to click on Add Channel Art. Then you need to select a photo from your computer. I'm going to select a photo, and it must be at least 2048 by 1152 pixels. But the recommended size is 2560 by 1440. So when you've uploaded your image, YouTube will provide a preview of how your channel art appears on different devices, how it looks on desktop, how it's going to look on TV, and how it's going to look on mobile. You can adjust the crop of each of these by clicking Adjust Crop. Then you've got the different sizes, which is going to be on your different devices. You can simply click Device Preview to see how it's going to look. And this isn't a very good image to use, I'm just using this as an example. When you're happy with how it looks, click Select. Now you can see with customized channel art and a channel icon, the channel is looking better already. And a quick tip when uploading an image for the channel art: when you upload an image which is 2560 by 1440, the safe area inside, which will display on all devices, is the 1546 by 423 pixel space in the middle. Be sure to keep any important information like branding, taglines and text within this area. You can make sure that it's going to be seen across desktop, TV and mobile. Last but not least is the channel description. To edit your channel description, you again come to your channel, Customize Channel, and then navigate to About. Next, click on Channel Description. So the channel description is basically your bio. It's where people will come to find out who you are, what you stand for, and why they should watch your videos. Your channel description should include any useful details like your email address, your location, what services you provide, what people can expect to find on your channel. You could provide a link to your website or social media accounts, or connect with other relevant channels in the featured channel section. The most important part of your channel description is giving people a reason to subscribe to you. What is unique about you and your content that you put out? Why should people subscribe to you? Use this space to tell people exactly why they should subscribe to you and watch your content. There is tons and tons of content put on YouTube. In fact, 300 hours of video are uploaded every minute. You really need to stand out from the crowd, and your channel description is one of the best places to do this. If you're just getting started, don't worry about getting all this information immediately. You can always come back and edit any of this later. And don't be afraid to test and tweak things. A lot of the time we don't get things right on the first try. If something's not working and you need to pivot, don't be afraid to. It's important to know when something's not working so you can make that change. In this video we went over setting up your YouTube channel.